As the popularity of cryptocurrency continues to soar, so does the incidence of a crypto pump and dump scheme. These fraudulent activities are a major threat to the integrity of the crypto industry and can cause significant losses for investors. In this video, we will be discussing how to avoid crypto pumps and dumps and protect your investments, so subscribe to stay updated on more videos like this. Crypto pumps and dumps are fraudulent schemes that artificially inflate the price of a cryptocurrency by promoting it through false or misleading information. The pump and dump scheme typically involves a group of individuals, often referred to as pumpers, who coordinate to buy a large amount of a particular cryptocurrency at a low price. The pumpers then promote the coin aggressively on social media and other platforms, often using hype and exaggeration to lure in unsuspecting investors. As the demand for the coin increases, its price rises rapidly, and investors start buying in, further inflating the price. Once the price reaches a certain threshold, the pumpers sell their coins, causing the price to plummet, leaving the unsuspecting investors with worthless coins. This is known as the dump phase of the scheme. Crypto pumps and dumps are illegal and can cause significant losses for investors who fall for them. It is important to conduct thorough research and avoid making impulsive decisions based on hype or fear of missing out. Detecting a crypto dump before it happens can be challenging, as it is often triggered by sudden and unexpected market changes. However, there are several signs to look out for that may indicate that a cryptocurrency is about to experience a dump. Here they are. A sudden increase in trading volume. If a cryptocurrency's trading volume suddenly spikes, it may indicate that a group of investors is trying to drive up the price artificially. This is often a sign of a pump and dump scheme, and the dump phase may follow shortly after. Sharp price increase. A sudden and sharp increase in the price of a cryptocurrency may indicate that it is being artificially inflated. This is often a sign of a pump and dump scheme, and the dump phase may follow shortly after. Negative news. Negative news or rumors about a cryptocurrency can cause investors to panic and sell their coins, causing the price to drop. Keep an eye on news related to cryptocurrency and its market to stay informed. Large sell-offs. Large sell-offs by prominent investors or the development team of a cryptocurrency can be a sign that a dump is about to happen. If insiders are selling off their coins, it may indicate that they have lost faith in the coin's potential. Lack of development progress. If a cryptocurrency's development progress has stalled, it may indicate that the project is struggling. This could lead to a lack of investor confidence and a potential dump. While it can be challenging to detect a crypto dump before it happens, monitoring trading volume, price changes, news, sell-offs, and development progress can help you stay informed and make more informed investment decisions. It is essential to conduct thorough research and avoid making impulsive decisions based on hype or fear of missing out. Do your own research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it is crucial to conduct thorough research. Analyze the coin's fundamentals, such as its market cap, white paper, development team, and community support. This will give you an idea of the coin's potential and whether it is worth investing in. Avoid FOMO. Fear of missing out, FOMO, is a common psychological trap that investors fall into. Do not invest in a coin just because everyone else is doing so. Instead, stick to your investment plan and avoid making impulsive decisions. Monitor social media. Social media can be a powerful tool for detecting pump and dump schemes. Keep an eye on social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit for any unusual spikes in hype and volume. If you see any suspicious activity, it may be best to avoid the coin altogether. Look for long-term value. Invest in coins that have long-term value rather than short-term hype. This will help you avoid the pump and dump schemes that often target new and unknown coins. Focus on established coins with a solid track record and a clear roadmap for the future. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your crypto portfolio is a key strategy for minimizing risk. Spread your investments across different coins and tokens, and avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. This will help you weather any market downturns and minimize the impact of any pump and dump schemes. Use reputable exchanges. Finally, make sure to use reputable crypto exchanges that have a strong reputation for security and transparency. Avoid using smaller or less known exchanges that may be more susceptible to pump and dump schemes. Crypto pump and dump schemes are a significant threat to the crypto industry. However, by conducting thorough research, avoiding FOMO, monitoring social media, looking for long-term value, diversifying your portfolio, and using reputable exchanges, you can protect yourself from these fraudulent activities and make informed investment decisions. If you got some value from this video, click the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos.